the whole other way. Damn, D-Bad. Damn, bad. This nigga going to jail. I can't even get over there on the side of the house where he hit them people's house. But this nigga is going to jail, buddy. No license, no tags. They going through the car. This nigga laid out in the field over there. Way over there. That's him laid out in the field over there with police and everybody surrounding him. Making sure he don't go nowhere. Talk to us, sir. Then his brother just pulled up on the scene going off. D-Bad having a bad day.
It's fucked up.
God damn, man.